Hello friends, this is Indrail from developyourskill.com. As you can see on the date, it is 25th of July 2020. So today is basically a lockdown day in West Bengal. I'm living in West Bengal, so for West Bengal and Kolkata people it is basically a lockdown. But is it actually a lockdown day? No, it is not a lockdown day. Because it's your career and it's your dream for which you are in the insurance career and insurance agency, or you can be the sales manager also. So now today we'll basically discuss 2-3 minutes for a Godmaster plan. What is a Godmaster plan? Actually, you are in a career which is not a regular job, which is not an employment. It is not an employment portal that you are on a payroll and you come to the office at 9:30 in the morning and you work up to 6:30, and after that you go home and you get a salary. Here the thing happens that what you create for yourself, what you do for yourself, what is your activity, that is reflected in the result part, and that is basically your commission check, or that is your incentive, or that is your incentive bonus, whatever you say like that. Now for both the people, for an agent, an advisor, a consultant or a financial consultant who is working with so many things, and life insurance, then general insurance, then standalone health insurance, you can also work with the mutual funds and all that. You can be a portfolio manager. You understand me? So you have to create a Godmaster plan for yourself. What is a Godmaster plan? There are two words. One is God, another is master. God is the ultimate master. So everybody inside us, we have that divine power that we can develop our ideas. We can distribute our ideas in a finer way. We can create our own compensation plan. We can boost up our own dream plan. We can jot down, and by doing that we ultimately go to the success level. And success level, success level is not something which is static. You can define that it is an arbitrary constant. That means for 2020-21 it is a figure. The next year it becomes something different, and in the next 5 years, in the next 10 years, then 15 years, if you have a career of 30 years, 35 years, it keeps on changing. And that adaptability should be there in our insurance industry people, that we also work on our Godmaster plan, that how we can create a Godmaster plan by which ultimately we get the success. So it's not a very easy job. You have to learn the techniques by which you can create your own master plan. Your master plan and my master plan may be different, but the thing is that everything is depending on how you execute. Now, as you can see on the board, what we have to do, all we have to do, that we have to create a master plan. There are so many ingredients that we will be coming to know in our course. It is 2-hour course, that creating a Godmaster plan, creating your own compensation plan. You have to plan every day very small things. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening session, there should be a schedule. You schedule out what you have to do, and then you execute on a daily basis. Execution part, I must tell you, that is very important, because until and unless you execute a single plan, there may be so many ideas, there may be 1,000 ideas in your mind. In the back of your mind you have thousands of ideas, that I will do this, I will do that, I'll talk to these people, I'll call on these database, but that is not going to work for you until and unless you execute daily, on a daily basis. Why I have used the word daily? Because if you execute daily, it becomes your habit. Your habit creates your characteristic. Your characteristic creates your personality. So I must execute whatever I know that may be good, that may be bad, that may be better, that may be the best. I have to execute daily, and I have to review my situation. So developyourskill.com is nothing but an idea which has been created by my daughter. She told me that daddy, we can have an idea that so much of time for 28 years you have been in this industry. So now I think I am also in academics. I am also undergoing the MBA in finance. I want to come to your place. I want to come to the finance industry, and I want to know the ins and outs, everything. So it was her endeavor. She gave me one seed of thought that we can develop something. We are basically developmental people. We develop each and every day. We develop so many things. We can develop an internet website for you. We can develop some awareness program for you. We can help you in so many ways. And you know, in offline mode, what used to happen? So many people, they were gathered in a hotel, something like that, and there are, you know, there is an expenses. There are so many expenses. You have to take a cab. You have to wear some tie, then your suit, and you have to go to the hotel. Spend lot of hours and lot of money for that. So that's why we have created this online platform. By 200 rupees, by spending 300 rupees, you learn so many things, and keep on learning, keep on learning, keep on learning, because you know, education is the best investment. So what I hope that you will create your own God Master plan. And if you really want to become a successful person in life, in the insurance industry, in the LIC, if you really want to become a very successful person, I belong to LIC, so it is my endeavor that I always support all the people from this industry, my fraternity. I want to support you for your reason. So if you want that you will be also successful in real terms, ultimately you will be successful, you have to create your own God Master plan today. And if in creating a God Master plan you feel some challenges that I don't know how to create my plan, immediately call us, take our help. We are happy to help you. I wish you all the best. I hope this video tutorial will work for you. Come to our site, ask our questions. There is another thing. We have got a public channel on Telegram where all the industry news are given in one shot. That means you don't have to check all the websites, you don't have to Google all the time. You can see all the updated industry news about LIC and other insurers, what is happening in the life insurance industry, what are the ups, what are the downs, what are the ins, what are the outs. You can check out everything. And also come to my Facebook profile. It's Indronil Roy Choudhury. I'm spelling it out, INDRO. It's not A, it's O. NIL space Roy, ROY, space Choudhury, CHOWDHURY. So if you write Indronil Roy Choudhury LIC, immediately you are connected to my Facebook channel, and you can see what are the updates, what are the blogs we are doing, my daughter is doing. She is doing great job, and I thank all my team members that they have given me tremendous support. And I thank the total LIC and industry fraternity that they have given me the immense mental power. That's why I could develop my own God Master plan. So if I can do it, you can also do it. Wish you all the best. Be with us and get tremendous success. And my mobile number is written over there. You can see it. It's 96741 54248. You can spell it out like this: 9674 154 248. Thank you. All the best. There is one tab in our website by which you can reach us, you can contact us, you can raise a query, you can be our business partner, you can develop your own business. So be happy, stay safe, all the best.